Boateng. I'm looking at Boateng to partner Saul here. But anyway, there's Nesta. Look.
Go on, do that first, then I'll do it. Okay, right, he's gone. Yeah, you did it.
Shit.
So that's Nesta. It's absolutely phenomenal. Oh God, it's absolutely unbelievable. He's claiming that I won. Fine, okay. I've got to discard the packs. Well, first of all, I just... So you just played that game thinking you'd done it, but you hadn't?
I thought it said a max pace rating of 85. It's a minimum pace rating of 85.
Oh, really? God, you must be absolutely gutted about that. Devastating. Guess that leaves us with one thing.
Right then, here we go.
I needed to function. I don't tweet out Chris is in trouble today, then I fucking lose 4-0.
I mean, fucking hell, man.
I get beat by such a basic lad.
Imagine tweeting that, then losing 4-0.
I've absolutely no idea what happened yesterday, guys. It was crazy.